Hello guys, hope you have seen this news already. 118 Chinese apps have been banned. Already it started with 59 apps being banned, and that time many of the softwares which people were using frequently were all gone, and now there are more made in India kind of softwares being uploaded in the Play Store and wherever you get the software from. So now again 118 apps banned. That is Pubg is there, then Ludo is there. Most of them are gaming apps or maybe some video editing or music player kind of things. So the full list I'll show you. So I think most of them use only these things which you see in screen, these games and this Applock software where you will be locking different applications in your phone. Okay, and then this Ludo, there are thousands of companies doing the Ludo, but I think two of them which is of Chinese origin that has been taken away. So now for UPSC aspirants, like this news is not as such important, but some takeaways will be there. Obviously, like what are the technicalities behind this and what is India-China issues. So that kind of things is what you have to focus rather than on the other unwanted news items. Okay. So if you see, this is Section 69 of Information Technology Act, which was again in news earlier also, and UPSC have also already asked a mains question on Section 66A. Okay, when Section 66A was removed from the Information Technology Act in 2018 mains, I think a detailed mains question came. So it is important for you to know these kind of act. Okay. So they were engaged in activities which is prejudicial to sovereignty, integrity of India, defense of India, security of state and public order. This is the phrasing, and this is what has been invoked to do this kind of banning. Okay. So almost 33 million active players in India alone. So that will be a big loss to the company when this is taken away. These are again random news snippets I have taken. Okay, IT Ministry had received complaints from various sources, including several reports about misuse of some mobile apps available on Android and iOS platforms for stealing and superstitiously transmitting users' data to servers outside India. So this is what the reasons which government have stated in different news reports. So what is happening there in India, China? You know, there is a clash like finger 1 to 8. Okay, that is one prelims question expected this year also. Like reports of Indian troops occupying heights at finger 4 are not correct as part of the precautionary development carried out on August 30. Some readjustments of our positions on north bank of Pangong So Lake on our side of LAC had also been carried out. So this Pangong Saw is important. Again, a question can come, okay, because you should know like 1/3 of this is in India, 2/3 is in China. Okay, it's in the border where in Ladakh region. It's a very nice place, but it is not fully under India's control now. So there is where the conflict is happening. There is this land is marked with fingers, finger 1, 2, 3. I will show you the picture in the next slide. Okay, and see here, like this Chinese officials have been giving statements. This is the latest one yesterday. I think they gave the statement. Like as far as I know, no Indian soldiers were killed in the recent border clash. Chinese Foreign Ministry. She was quoted by some newspaper like this. Okay, like India violated something. Okay, on the western section of LAC, that is what they are telling. Indians have violated something. So I'll show you that area also. This is the region in Pangong. If you see, India's side is this one and China's side is this one. And if you see, this is like fingers. Okay, this land areas, it's like fingers they have marked. So India claims like LAC is still here. Okay, line of actual control, it is still here till finger 8. But China tells from this side like it is still here, finger 4. Okay, from this side. So that is why this middle region is always in conflict. Like, so people may be crossing this, people may be crossing this. So they'll tell each other like you have violated, you have violated. Also, Chinese people have this habit of building roads in all the controversial areas. Okay, they'll come and expand like 1 kilometer extra road they'll make, and then Indians will notice that and they'll go and fight. So this is what is happening. Okay, China expands it not only in India's region, it does it every corner. Okay, in, whether it is in Japan side, Taiwan side, Hong Kong side, wherever side it has, it will go and build roads like this. Okay, that's why Bhutan, China also clash is happening, and India is supporting Bhutan also. So these are very generic basic things which in detail in my test series and all is covered. So UPSC students, please see to that you study these kind of things instead of the unwanted things. Okay, like here you will see like these kind of location, Rezangla, Rekingla. Okay, these are all mountain passes and mountain places which is there. So UPSC can ask like this was in news recently related to which area. Okay, so you should know it is India China area. And this is the statement press release which came now. Ministry of Electronics and Information, that is a ministry. Government blocks 118 apps which are this thing prejudicial to sovereignty and integrity of India, defense of India, security of state and public order. So this exact statement you have to write whenever the question comes in mains. Okay, so see section 69, and some rules is also given, rules 2009, and 118 apps are there, and this both platforms are there. Then Indian Cyber Crime Coordination Center, okay, which is under Ministry of Home Affairs. So this is the kind of things which you have to study. Okay, this thing is under this ministry, and set an exhaustive recommendation for blocking these apps. Likewise, there has been similar bipartisan concerns flagged by various public representatives both inside and outside. So various people have been raising the concerns about the security and the data misuse and all. Okay, there is a committee related to that. Try to find out that also. So these kind of all technicalities is important to you, and that is why we are making this video. Okay, and these are the list of apps. Now you can pause and see this. So This is where I'll wind up the video, but you can see like what is the things which you generally use. Okay, like maybe if I can highlight some things which are very common. Okay, like here nothing is there which I don't think people use. InNote maybe some people are using, and then here WeChat, but it's not the main application. That was WeChat. Original was already banned. Then these games and all maybe some people play, and this Applock is the one. Applock, message lock. Oh, sorry, Applock, message lock, and these kind of locks where like I think almost everybody has in their phone to lock your maybe Facebook or WhatsApp or something you would have used. So these are things which maybe will be affecting you. Some music players maybe, then your video players, photo gallery and all if you are using. So these things will like now maybe it's working on your phone, but it will stop working. Okay, then some Ludo, All Star and Ludo, something else also is there. Caroms is there. Okay, these are things I think in this lockdown time people were using in large numbers, and other things I don't think you use much. Okay, here also we don't see anything. Okay, maybe I'm missing something, but you can pause and see. Okay, it's not very important for UPSC students, but just because I'm covering this topic, I'm just showing you these things. Okay, so this is the main thing which people, some of them are concerned. See, Ludo World Superstar something. Okay, so Pubg. So you can pause and see. So more details will be there in all over the news, but we just want to give you what is important for UPSC aspirants. Okay, it's all about the India-China clash. You should know the Indian bodies, Indian ministry related to cyber affairs, and the information ministries and committees. Okay, so see to that you study only the relevant things and don't waste too much time on these things. Okay, so okay then I'll come up with the next video soon. Enjoy learning. Thank you and have a nice day.